Hi, my husband. Give gift to me. Nabuksan ko na siya, guys, kasi ginamit ko. I will show you. Binuksan ko na siya. Da-da-da. Oh, kasi
The book not.
What? What?
The book not. This
No,
one.
first this one.
Of course.
Kasi magagawa ko ng...
Also funny, he said to me, for this 50% will be successful because of it. The rest 50%.
Magagawa ako ng video. Gusto ko, nakaano siya. Yan, kasi wala akong sandalan. Wait, there's more longer or only this?
This, baby, what longer? This is already so long.
Yeah, I think so. Oh my God. Yeah. So, yan siya. Gusto ko to, guys. Nabuksan ko na siya. Of course. Yung pangalawang gift, medyo nakaka-pressure. Pero I have to. Chidin! Nalini ka!
Give me one empty bottle.
Ugly ka! My God, nakaka-stress, guys. Medyo na-stress ako. Pero I have to learn, guys. I have to learn. Then, yan, may kasama siyang CD. Tomorrow, mag-aaral na ako. And chocolate from Fanny's. Thank you. Chiki, 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 chiki. One for you, Ben. One for me. Always we have chocolate from Fanny's. Thank you.